I came here with a bag full of 3 points, but now I'm leaving with a bag of nothing. I want to say congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs for totally 3 points. But again, in terms of issue, mengabantu abe TS bathe angingawari laba babanikeze i3 points because vela ngeke bayenze nix. Bona the only success they managed to do ukungena ku top 8. Le 3 points lena engiphethe lana eyeSundowns bazongishayila iSundowns mina ngithatha league. Askisi makhosi.
But Kosi, they're struggling bona Chiefs Galaxy. Do you think they can recover because they've been losing matches?
Come again?
It's Chiefs Galaxy are struggling, shale. Babuya kuma losses. Awuni ngathi le ndaba top 8 kubo izo fail.
No, yes, you know when playing when you are a small team playing against a big team, you can struggle against small teams, but when you play against big teams, you can play far much better. They were playing against small team. They lost against a small team. La mebadlala ne team elingana nabo ngezinga. Bayodlala ne team engaphezulu elwela ileague. And mase badlala lapho and uzobona ukuthi bazoza.
You know the boys come close. You know
what? What's working? TS Galaxy batwa aba patala rent ba baisise tlabe o tla mese korile ba tima di lights city power timile di lights ka ba ka re Chiefs aya patala rent. I understand. So then regulate the tia ya di ticket o so ngile chelta ga te chelta ticket ba patetse rent.
Yeah, that's a very good point. Fishe sambe nge-load shedding. A big team sifika lana load shedding. Fishe nje sambe, fishe game cancel. Sebaboleka ama-generator kodwa ke